In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how you can do it with just your smartphone. Even though you don't have a PC, I will show you how you can do that right now. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash the bell icon for more upcoming videos. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to check what I have for you here today. Okay, so without wasting time, let me show you how you can design a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Kindly go to Play Store. All right, go to Play Store. You're going to do this with just Canva. Okay, Canva. All right, so search for Canva here. Search for Canva. Alright, I have Canva already on my phone. That is why it is showing open. As you might have already, it will show install. So if you don't have it on your phone, you will see install. Then click on install. After the installation, it now show open. Alright, so you click on open. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. All right, it's loading right there. Let's give it a while. It has opened right here. Now what you're going to do, click on this search content. All right, click here. Now type YouTube thumbnail. Type YouTube thumbnail. All right, then click on search. It's loading right here. Okay, so these are the templates you can make use of. Some are premium version while some are free version. You can see this pro, this is a pro version. All right, and this is a free version. Okay, now let me show you how you can do that right now, how you can create your own YouTube thumbnail for your videos. All right, for example, let's click on this one. Now click on customize these templates. After that, I will also show you how you can download it on your phone. Okay, so that you start making use of it. Okay, so it has finished loading. Now if you want to edit any of these text, click on it. This breaking, click on it, then you click edit. All right, now you can type what you want to write here, how to. Okay, now you also click on this announcement. All right, how to design a YouTube all right, now if you check with the word, see that the text is not coming up. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to reduce the size so that it will fit in this shape. All right, so I'll click on font size, then I have to drag it like this. All right, good. Now I'm going to delete this one, this stay tuned for game changing. When I click on it, I'll click on this delete button. All right, now I can duplicate this one, this design a YouTube. Then I'll click on it, then click here to duplicate, bring it down. All right, then look for color. This is color. I'll click on color. I'll give it a white color. Good. Now I'm going to edit it and type thumbnail. thumbnail. Okay, so I'm also going to delete this website URL, then I will leave this subscribe. Okay, so this is it. You can even change this image. Maybe you want to use your own image on this, just click on it, then go to replace. You can select it from your phone, or you can select from your phone by clicking on upload. All right, or you click on photos, then search for a photo you want to use here. Okay, for example, let me search here. I can search laptop, then I click on search. These are pro versions. Then I can select this one. This one is free. I'll click on it. Good. I can resize it so that this text can be seen. Then I can put it here. Good. Now after that, and you would like to download this design on your phone, click here. Okay, now click download. The file type should be PNG. Okay, so click download again, and this file now will be downloaded on my phone. It's downloading right now. As you can see, preparing your design is downloading right now. Let's wait for a bit to finish downloading. Good. It has downloaded right now. Okay, now let me show you the image of my phone. Okay, I'm gonna go to my phone gallery. Good. Now this is it. This is the design. Okay, so this is how you can design a YouTube thumbnail with just your smartphone and Canva app. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.